Hi, my name is Victor Bart. This is my 1965 Unimog 404 with a diesel engine. It's time to make some big changes on my Unimog because I have armor flex. I bought wood, even more wood, and with all the material I can finally make the inside of my Unimog camper nice with wood on the walls, and the styrofoam insulation that works really well will go. It will be armor flex with half the size of this. Everything that you see now in my Unimog will be redone. I'm gonna remove everything out of the box, clear it all out, make the insulation on the walls, and just start completely over. The bed will be a 2-person bed. The seating arrangement will stay like this, but shift a bit like to here. The inverter will go to somewhere else. This will be redone. The kitchen will be rebuilt. Today I will probably take out a bit of this part and start on designing the framing behind the insulation. Whoops, I cut myself. So that's better, and of course 70 seconds. I torn down half of the Unimog camper and I made a huge mess in my workshop. I started to make a video, but then I was just busy and enjoying the framing and I forgot about the camera. So I didn't film how I made this, but it's just some wood screwed to the wall. So yeah, not really interesting to show you in detail how you make and cut wood. So this is the framing to keep the wooden walls in place, but in between the framing and the walls I will put the armor flex. So I don't gonna put the armor flex directly here on the metal, and I think for my situation that's better. So I have the box in a box concept, but in later videos I will explain it in details. Sometimes you need to start over to go further in your build, and that's why I decided to redo the insulation. I have the styrofoam plates. They were free many years ago, and also the wood behind it, this kind of wood, was also free. So I insulated the box for almost free, but now I think I have a better plan and I will have like 4 centimeters wider bed space. So that would be a big improvement. If you would like to support me, you can make a donation on Ko-fi or on PayPal. Check out my Instagram about my Unimog, and thanks for watching.